Good morning guys. Baalis na po kami going to Georgia. Ayan, nandito na kami sa aming upuan sa bus. Sila po yung magta-transfer sa amin from Arlene to Georgia. Ano po to? Inorganize po yung Holiday Factory. May palibre silang lunch. Ayun. Ang sad lang kasi marami pa kami Arlenian. Nag-iisip kami kung paano namin gagawin. Sana along the way meron kami mapapalitan na rin. Ayan. So, hindi na kami napagpito ng hotel. 6 hours to 7 hours yata yung travel. Yes. Free lunch na on board. On board. Ayan. Kasama. Parang yan. Mga holiday factory din nila. So, very good. Very nice. Si ate, full na ang lagi. Kumain muna kami ha. Bago kami umalis para sulit yung hotel. See you na dito na. Akay sa lunch time. Bye!
3, 2, 1.
Ate, hi! Nandito kami sa Benlink for the third time. Yan, around us, our snowy home day. Oh my God. Naano kayo na stop over kami kasi... Oh, ito. So, third time na po. Hindi ko nadala yung ano ko. Kasi akala ko, mainit sa van. Ako, walang heater.
What an experience, ate. It's freezing cold outside. Ayan. Sagad hanggang ba? Yeah, we pray. Oh, may next stop ulit. Yeah. Huh? Ang lamig. Ay, sobra. Pati. Hi guys, I'm inside the restroom. Buti na lang dito, meron lang yung day, so I'm happy. Unlike sa mga hotels namin, dun sa may mismong yelo, wala ka lang bili, kung saan din mo higa. Yes! Ay. Ayan, may 30 minutes kami to explore the place kasi food court to, washroom and everything. Ayan. Ito yung outfit natin today kasi hindi tayo prepared kasi hindi tayo lalabas. Ayan. Ang ganda ng vibes. Ito yung biggest food court. Ayan. At si Ate Morgan. So, ang ganda ng vibes dito, guys. Parang English person. Supermarket. Ang sabi? Ayan, sige. Ayan, mga bibili. Baka mahal na dito yung mga bilhin lang ako ng wine.
Umaga pa din naman para mag-lunch mo, mamaya pa rin ako.
Correct. Ay, mga fish. Kasi malapit ko sa Subanlu. 500! Ate, fish, kaso lang mabaho to. Wine. Dried fish market. Iba't ibang klase ng dried fish. Parang dito pa, ayan o mga dried fish. Hindi ko alam kung makakauwi ako nito. Stay pa kami ng Georgia ng ano, may tinapa. Ate, may tinapa, 1.5 lang. Parang 150 lang oh. Mga mo. Saka hindi pwede ano. Ayaw sa dito.
Hindi ka medyo babaho yung luggage mo yan.
Wala tayong
Hindi naman ito pwedeng salkit.
hindi natin napanood yung ginagawa nila. Ay, sorry. Ay. Uy, siguro. Yan yung pinaglulutuan nila ng ano guys, ng bread. Hindi ko nakuhanan si Kuya na nagluluto sa... Ayan. It's hot, ah? Ayan, magluluto siya guys. Kasi lang, ayan, tatakman yan na. Yan yung ano lutuan. Ate, punta tayo ng supermarket. Cake. Guys, ang mura ng cakes, oh. Hindi pa naman kami uuwi. Hindi pa ako marunong gumawa ng videos. Ayan, ang daming lakang. Guys, hindi kami makakadilitan. Opo! Oh, wow. Ayan, yung mga iluluto nila kung nag-order kayo sa restaurant, mamimili sila dyan. Tapos iluluto nila fresh beef.
lunch. Holiday Factory. Hi guys! Hello!
Free lunch from Holiday Factory.
Ayan, group picture. Hi guys, this is the restaurant kung saan kami pinakain ng Holiday Factory. Ayan. Ang dami nagpa-picture dun sa puno na yun. Ay, bakit to na nakalimutan ko na. Walang name tong restaurant na to, but it's fine. Tahimik. Ang ganda. Sasabi inside. Ready? Ang nagating natin. Guys, ito yung back niya. River. Diba ka?
Parang magpulis at puri ng mga border.
Alam mo, meron kami ng rider. Ay, hindi tayo nakakayat. Sabi niya, nag-travel kami sa nagawa ko lang ng video sa side. Nag-side ng aming card. Kasi, boundary ng, hindi ko ma-pronounce yung
Azerbaijan.
Ay,
Azerbaijan, boundary of the Armenia.
oo, bawal daw i-take ng video. Kaya pinadelete yung video. So, dito na lang tayo sa left. Ang galing ng tour guide namin na every spot na i-spot namin. Meron siyang share or link. Pag ay, kaalam na. Namay mo yun? Parang, namay ako. Kasi, ang mask is sa Georgia. Kaya guys, always bring with you your mask. Kasi medyo mahal daw yun. Fine, sabi na sa amin tour guide. Ayun po yung nakikita namin. Papunta kasi, not so good view. That's reality. Normal naman yan. Hindi lahat ng mga pinapit na natin. Hindi pa rin hindi. Nasa city na ito, pabihas na na. Kasi nadaan na natin ng maaari, mga bundok at walang mga building. Kung sa Armenia, may 7 lights na. Eto, hindi ko alam. It's kind of a river. May panel po. Ang bago lang to. Dami sasakyan dito. Oh, may clock din sila dito. Mas malaki yung mga ano. Mas mga city dito na mas malalaki. Mas maliliwan. Bagyo yung birds dito guys.
Ang yan sa informal, snow
Ayun.
snow apple.
They have Carrefour also. Yeah, in Armenia, they also have Carrefour. Oh, 1 minute, Hotel Gureli. So, within the city lang tayo, guys. So, we in the city lang kami. 1 minute. So, be ready.
Good afternoon. We just reached our destination here in Georgia. Welcome to Georgia. This is our room, 006. This room is Pirelli. It's near the city. And here is the view. When you go inside, and here's the door to our restroom. And here's the view of our... This is the view of our room. I think the room in Armenia is better than here, but I think it's so minimalist. It's clean and so simple. That's my things. There's Ate. So we're planning to go to Super Back tonight to have a relaxation or relaxing moment. Our friends are still deciding downstairs what package they want to take. But for us, we will do DIY again because they are offering expensive one compared to the DIY that we are doing. So for now, that's it. We'll just take some rest and we'll go to the city. See you in a bit, guys. Love you. Oh, so nice. Okay, there's a bowl where you can keep your passport and everything. But for me, I need to bring my passport everywhere. Wow! The bed is so soft. Huh. Welcome to Georgia!
Reception number
1004.
Wi-Fi, I love Buret.
Hi guys, naka-outfit na kami. Ready na kami to explore the city. Kasi hanapin namin yung Super Bag. Di ko alam, sabi nila hanggang 10 o'clock daw sila. And 1 hour yun. Gagaling Super Bag. And take note guys, dito sa Georgia, dito sa Georgia, dapat mag-wear tayo ng mask. Mandatory dito. Unlike sa Armenia, hindi na nag-mask. Pero dito, we have to wear it all the time. And ang ganda ng service, una pa lang dito sa Burel Hotel. Napaka-fast yung customer service nila. Alam niyo, yun yung pumapasok kung puntahan pa kami dito to welcome sa room namin. Para mag-offer ng mga something na akala mo maliit na bagay. We're coming now. Bye. Good evening guys. Nandito na kami sa kalye. Naghahanap kami ng exchange rate. And tinulungan kami ng dalawang locals. We're going to the metro. Hi! To find, exchange. Ano ba tawag doon? Yung palitan ng pera. Kasi mga dollars po yung pera namin dito. I'm with my friends. They are there. Mali naman yung tinulong ni kabayan sa amin. Now we're going to the nearest metro station kung saan meron kami ipapalit na pera. After that, kain ng konti at gusto ko magpa-silver back. Ayan. Ito po yung itsura ng kanto nila. Mabilis po magpatakbo yung mga mabilis magpatakbo yung sasakyan. Dapat be responsible guys. Tawid sa tamang tawiran. Or else mapafine tayo. Ayan. Mas tolerable yung lamig dito kasi sa Armenia, no? Matagal po maglakad din ng kasama namin. Guys, ito po yung metro station nila. I don't know if you can see. Gabi na kasi medyo madilim na. So dito po ang palitan ng exchange. This one. So papalit tayo guys. Good evening. Yeah.
Kasi bigay mo ng 200, di ba?
Akala ko may 50 ka. So yan yung exchange sa si Kuya. So papalit na kami ng $200. And $2 is... Oh wait. Ito na yung Larry, yung pera nila. Okay, bilangin natin. So, bilangin mga tea. Hindi ako marunong magbilang.
You too?
Yeah. Done. We changed to
$300 to which local currency?
Baka too much. Baka it's too much. Guys, ito yung metro nila. Traka. Metro. Yeah, this is the metro. But our priority is to find some food. Restaurants to eat because they are all hungry. Silverback. There.
Khachapuri. What fish is this?
I didn't ask it.
Oh my goodness. It's okay.
Kasi kachat.
Okay, ano tayo na 40 lari lang yun.
$200 gramos andito.
What this you have? Bread.
Pagbalik ko na ng Dubai, may edit ko. Kumal? Liver? They have also. Hi! Kabayan, no? Hi!
Baka naman may single dyan.
Ah, yes! Ayun, ang single kasi. Hi guys, nandito kami sa underground store here in Georgia. $13. Parang 3 dirhams. Go up. Go up. Okay, that's the underground. Under tulay. Ilalim ng tulay. Hi, Carrefour. Ah, this is the one you see earlier. Carrefour. Now we have to ask another person. Ayan o. Yeah. I'm gonna ask? Yes. Better. Yeah. Which one? Yeah, that's ate.
No, we lost. So, excuse me, madam.
Madam? Sulfur bath. Down?
And then you should cross the bridge. When you cross the bridge, then turn to the left, and it's the area of Abu Dhabi, and then you will see side of the street. When you cross it to the left, you will see the
So we will go straight?
go straight, cross the bridge,
Cross the
over
bridge?
the river,
Over the river?
turn
Left.
to the left, and then you will
Thank you, madam. Hi. Salamat! Nagharap kami ng English seat. Straight. Hi, guys. Oh.
We will cross the river and then after
No, under the river. So we will be crossing the river.
river bridge and then we will go left.
Bilang yan. Daanan natin yan mamaya. Kaya niyo po na Sail. Lipstick. Ah, this one, rent a car. Guys, rent a car. Picturean nyo na, girls. Take pictures so that we will call. Ate, picturean mo na. Okay, ito na. This is the... You got a good deal? Yan. Hi.
Baghdad has many Georgian kings' names.
Ah! Okay, we will go to Sulfur. Where is the place? Sulfur?
Sulfur bath.
Yeah, teach us where. Ayan, he will show us the Sulfur bath. Tara na, guys. Where is it?
This way go down.
Huh?
Use square.
Okay.
After square, yes, a bridge. After bridge, go left and right.
Okay.
10 minutes walking.
Okay. Stairs, bye.
See you later.
Thank you, see you. Bye. Hotel. This has been Nashang Galing, Mama Chup Chup. Bye.